Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make a candy organizer in a caps shape. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will take one circle. You can check out measurement in the description box. Okay, we will take one circle. We will draw one more circle inside this circle and we will give some cuts. After this, we will fold all these cuts upside. Now we will take one long strip of the same color paper, preferably black paper, and we will paste this paper here by spreading some glue. So let's spread some glue on this black paper. And now we will paste this black sheet. So we will paste this strip on this circle like this. Let it dry for some time. After it gets dried, we will take one more long strip of black paper and we will cut this strip. We will keep it here and we will cut this strip according to size of this. Just cut the extra part. And paste this strip in the shape of circle. Spread some glue and cut the strip in and paste this in the shape of circle. Now remove this from this and paste it gently. After pasting it, we will give some cuts on this above portion as well. And we will fold these cuts outside. Just fold these cuts outside the circle. After folding this, we will take one square shape sheet and we will paste this square shape sheet on the top of this circle. So let's spread some glue on these cuts that we had already folded outside. Now paste this square sheet on this. After both of these gets dry, we will cover this upper portion. After putting it inside, we will decorate this upper portion with help of some beads or any stones that are available in market easily. So let's decorate this with these beads. So this is the decoration of this cap. So now you can open this box and you can put some candies in this box and like cover it, cap, and you can gift it to your loved one. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.